blow through right there. All right, I'm gonna take a picture of this. There's 2 in a row that were overdriven. When this shingle was put down, number 6 was overdriven. See that neither are showing through here, and neither are showing through there. They're gonna destroy 6 when we take them out. Show me. Overdriven. Overdriven. It's hard to see. I'll get them out of there. We're working through it slowly. Take those. So I can't get these 2 nails. They're, yeah. See where they're shot through right here. Blown through. I can get them. All right, there. All right. See here, take a picture of this. Right here? Yep. That hole. Overdriven. Take a picture of that. Right here. Like there's another blow through. Take a picture of this edge. Can't see that. This nail is overdriven in 6, so to get the nails out of 6 is causing damage to the face of shingle 8. Mark 8. 6 has the overdriven holes. We've already damaged 4, trying to get out 1 shingle. Here's an overdriven nail that's through 6. That should be, it's holding down our target shingle, but it should be able to be taken out from the top of 6. I'm having to go under 6 to get to it because they're overdriven. And there it is. You can clearly see these holes, how irregular they are. They're completely blown through. The gun was overset when these nails were driven in. So removing these shingles causes damage to a row too high. Oh, don't. Can't do it. Gloves on. The shingles are functioning well right here on the side. The pull-throughs have been the main issue, and the tears and trying to separate the seals. All right, so in shingle came out, we lost shingle 2, shingle 5, and shingle 8. So while trying to replace 1, we damaged 3 of 8. That's 40% of the area gets damaged repairing 1. If you want to get some photos of this, we're gonna add some sealant and dollops to all the ones that we separated the seals on so that they attach back down correctly until this claim is completed and we have finalized and agreed upon scope of work from everybody. And that's it. We're gonna get some pictures. One more thing I'll do just to check.
I'm gonna mark the crease here.
Yeah, I didn't check for any creases, so I'm gonna take a broom, a soft broom, on the control shingle, and I'm just gonna give it a sweep. And this can be my control. I have a control labeled over there, but these shingles, these granulars are not moving. Nothing is coming off this roof. This is simulating the next wind event and water event, so a heavy rain, just weather, just showing are these granulars still holding. So some are removing. 6 definitely has a noticeable line that is formed in it, as well as 8. Now these aren't.
Put your finger right here.
Yeah, right here.
Yes, sir.
You can see that. It's a solid crease, and all we did was swipe this very softly, just slap, slap, slap. It's not hand. It's not abrasive. It's not hard. We're just simulating a hard wind and a hard rain hitting this house and exposing loose granulars to show the full effect of what replacing 1 shingle is going to do. So we've got damage to the face, tear, and a tear. And overdriven nails, as were shown, and we'll take some better close-up photos of that.
That concludes the video.
That's all I got.